Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of a swap that I got from my good friend Amina, and we were paired together in the summer spring swap from Geeks and Beauties. Geeks and Beauties is a group that I'm in with amazing people, and we decided to do a swap with each other, and we all got paired up with somebody, and this is what she sent me. But the theme was really just spring, summer, kind of shared each other's likes and dislikes with each other, and we picked out some goodies and we bagged them up and wrapped them and put them in boxes and sent them to each other, and I am ecstatic. I opened some of the things. I didn't open everything because I wanted to be surprised with the unboxing, but I did, because I have no patience whatsoever. I did open some things, and I do apologize for my appearance. I have been working a lot. Anyways, you don't care about that. You want to see what I got for the swap, right? So she sent me this box, and inside the box was this bag, which I'm already in love. This is a adorable beach bag with little flamingos on the top. Like, this alone is so cute. I told her I like bags, like cosmetic bags or beach bags or anything. Like, I'm obsessed with bags, and she picked out like a super cute one. So I think she might have known me really well. I hope that she likes what I got her. She gave me a card, and it's a little cute kitty. Look at how cute it is. And it's just a little note. It says, I hope you enjoy your goodies and a big, huge happy birthday. My birthday is in June, so I'm guessing that's what she meant. I mean, it's not that far away. My God, I'm gonna be 33. Shut your mouth. Okay, so the first thing in here that I saw that wasn't wrapped was this little baggie. And inside this baggie is, I didn't open this, but some slippers, some like spa slippers. So like, get out of the tubby, get out of the shower, put on some of these. Like, they're like little just slip-on spa slippers. And inside there, this I did not open, is... what is it? Oh, look how cute it is. It's a bee for me. A little towel. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's like a little towel. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think it's like a little dish or like bathroom. Put it on. It's a decorative one. Oh my God, that is so cute. I love the flip-flops and I love the bee. That is so cute. I'm dying. Pops in there, which was really cute. So then I did open this, and this was a bracelet, which is one of the things that made me cry. It's a Walking Dead bracelet. It says, it's hard to read on camera because it is light, but it says, don't open dead inside, that like iconic image. And it's just like a little cuff bracelet, which I'm always worried these never fit me, but this one actually does. So super pretty. I open it up. She wrapped everything up nicely. Is this, oh, it is a bookmark, and it says Buffy on it, and I've actually seen this before on Instagram, and I absolutely love it, and I'm a huge Buffy fan. I have a Buffy tattoo. I also have Supernatural tattoo, which there's something in here Supernatural too. I'm a cheater, okay? I'm sorry. Can't help it. So the next thing unwrap are these highlights, which I don't have, and I'm so excited about, and they did not break in transit. So it is the Wet n Wild new versions of these highlights. This is in White Raven and Blossom Glow. I am so excited about this. I'm not going to swatch them right now because they are sealed, but they're limited edition, but super cute. Let's see, what else should she get me? I'm so excited. I am a huge tea lover. Green tea, mint. Bigelow is my favorite brand. I am so excited. I love mint tea. It is literally my favorite. I don't remember if I told her that I like mint tea. How did she know? How did you know? Here is another box with jewelry in it. Oh, these are pretty. These are little earrings. Little, like rectangular earrings. Don't look at me. Very pretty. We said that we like silver jewelry, so she picked out some cute silver jewelry for me. And then inside this bag was another bag, and it says Life is a Beach. Super cute. And inside here, she also put some more goodies. Open it up. Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask. I told her that I liked masks. I do not like sheet masks, and I told her that I liked other kind of masks, so she got me a clay mask, which is super awesome. I've never tried this one. This is with charcoal and probiotics. Super excited. Serum infused facial mask. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. She wrapped everything in tissue paper. It's so cute, and wrapped it with ribbons, and yes, I'm wrapping her stuff too, so you're gonna get payback for having to open everything. Oh my god. Pacifica Indian Coconut Nectar Body Butter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I want to open it and smell it because I love it. Oh yes, give me, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I like a lot of Pacifica items, so this is awesome. Oh, it's nice and thick. Oh, it smells like coconut suntan lotion, which is like one of my favorite things ever. I'm so excited about that. Boop. I don't listen. I'm just going to tell you what the things are, and I don't feel like trying to make you focus because I'm losing light here. Okay. And then also the perfumed hair and body mist of the same scent. So, super excited. Oh my gosh. I'm going off of like no sleep and maybe a glass of wine or so just ignore me. I think that's it inside that bag. There's so much tissue paper everywhere. Then I opened these earlier. This is the Hask Coconut Oil shampoo and conditioner, and I actually love this brand, so I'm so excited about that. And this also, oh my god, it smells so good. So this is the item that I opened that was from Supernatural. It is a keychain type of thing, and it has the boys on it. It has Sam, Dean, and Castiel. Super excited. I love this. I cried when I opened it. I did, and I kind of wish I had saved it for film, but like I said, I'm a cheater and I like to open things early. The next thing is this, which I did not open, which is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Dewy. I literally almost bought this the other day because I love dewy skin, and she like listened very well. Mina, you rock. Like, you don't even understand. The next thing, I'm blind, is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Stick in Hello Darkness. Hello Darkness. Okay, let me open this. This is from that, like, limited collection, which I didn't buy anything. Like, I usually buy a lot of the limited edition. I usually buy a lot of the limited edition Wet n Wild stuff, but I just didn't the last couple sets that they had. But I'm super intrigued about this. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. Oh my gosh, this is going to be bomb in the summer. Like, 'cause it's nice and wet, like a dewy wet highlight. So the next thing I have in here, I'm blind, is a Supernatural Join the Hunt. It's a pen silo projector. Let's open you up. Put this on that you can see it. Okay, so it has, am I upside down? I can't see. I am upside down. I am upside down. Okay, so it has the boys in the middle, some crosses, the car and the star, the pentagram. Yes, this is really cool. And then it's a pen. The next thing I have, which I've actually opened, was this. Now, I don't know if this broke. I'm kind of confused. I'll have to ask her. But it's a really pretty bracelet. But then this was in the box too. Even if it is broken, I love the bracelet by itself. So pretty. Yeah. I make things work, people. I'll have to ask her. Then she got me this really pretty glitter nail polish, which is amazing because I love glitter, and I told her that. And then she got me this really pretty bracelet. It's like a snap, like, bracelets never fit me. This one actually does, and it's super pretty. Look at it. Isn't it not so pretty? It's a little snap bracelet. Love it. And the last thing she got me was this highlight from Trust Fund Beauty. That liquid glow, though, in... I don't know the name of it. I'm going to open it up, though. I see you. Come out. Oh, it's like a champagne gold highlight. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Look at my packet. It is so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Please check out her channel down below. I will also link Geeks and Beauties if you're interested in joining that. We are a fun community. We love supporting each other. We do fun swaps, collabs. We support each other's social medias. It is a really fun group to be a part of. And if you would like to join, just click the link down below and request. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. As always, appreciate it. Bye, guys. So cute. Like, I'm in love with this bag.